What program should I use to view a JSON file in Windows 10?
Hello, and welcome. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation. Specifically, we're going to learn about how to view a JSON file in Windows 10. So, if you've been wondering which program to use for this task, you're in the right place.
What is a JSON file?
Let's start with the basics. A JSON file is a file that stores simple data structures and objects in JavaScript Object Notation, JSON, format, which is a standard data interchange format. JSON is primarily used for transmitting data between a server and a web application.
How can I view a JSON file?
There are multiple ways to view a JSON file in Windows 10. You can use a simple text editor, a dedicated JSON editor, or even a web browser. Let's explore these options one by one. Text editors first up, the simplest method. You can use any basic text editor like Notepad or Notepad++. Open the program, click on File, Open, and navigate to your JSON file. The benefit of this method is that it requires no additional software since Notepad comes installed on all Windows machines. However, a downside is that JSON files can be hard to read in raw text format, especially if they're large or complex. Dedicated JSON editors. Next, we have dedicated JSON editors. These tools provide a more structured and user-friendly way to view and edit JSON files. Some examples are Visual Studio Code, VS Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. Once you've installed your chosen editor, you can open your JSON file within it. These editors offer color coding and tree view, which makes JSON data easier to read and understand. Web browsers. Lastly, you can also view JSON files in your web browser. Most modern web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge can display JSON files. To open a JSON file in a web browser, you just have to locate the JSON file on your system and drag and drop it into an open web browser window. The data will then be displayed in a nicely formatted and easy-to-read tree structure. And there you have it. Now you know how to view a JSON file in Windows 10 using different methods. Whether you choose a simple text editor, a dedicated JSON editor, or a web browser, depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember to keep exploring and keep learning. Until next time, happy coding!